Welcome home, friend. And I know I do say this often, but I really mean it this time. This is a stunning corner home that just hit the market in the fabulous community of Creekwood. From the moment you pull up to this home, it is wow. This home sits on a corner, and not just any corner lot, but across the street from the community pond where you'll enjoy a relaxing walk or the weekend fishing moment. Also adjacent to the property is the amenity center, which features 2 large swimming pools. However, back to this fabulous home, you will love everything about this one, starting from the front porch. It is dreamy. Inside you'll find a large foyer with a front office, French doors that lead into the office with a view. You'll love working in here. Next, you'll find a formal dining room / flex space. The kitchen comes equipped with lots of cabinets and counter space. You'll love cooking in there too. There's a big area for a breakfast nook, and it even has a window bench. Super cute. Then you'll transition into the 2-story family room with a fireplace and amazing windows. The owner's suite is also downstairs as a private retreat from the rest of the home. It features a great bathroom space and a large walk-in closet. Also downstairs you'll find a half bathroom. Upstairs, there's a loft space, 3 bedrooms, a full bathroom, an office nook, and a media room that is currently being used as a bedroom. So it has that little flexibility for you if you need an extra bedroom. There's plenty of room for you to enjoy in this home. During the summer, entertain in style by the large back patio or relax in all the amenities that this community has to offer. Located just minutes away from Alliance Town Center and Presidio Shopping, or just a quick ride from Eagle Mountain Lake for hiking and boating adventures. Located in Eagle Mountain Saginaw ISD, this home is zoned for Copper Creek Elementary School, Prairie Vista Middle School, and Saginaw High School. It won't last long, so call us today to schedule an appointment to come see this fabulous home, brought to you by Ludwin and Margie Real Estate.